Hey, this is Sri Hari from, well, I know you heard that. Hey, this is Sri Hari and I am the product manager for Realme India, and today in a special video, we're going to take a closer look and also unbox the all new Realme band. So now you've got the Realme band with you. What is the first thing that you do? Well, you cut it. So I take a cutter out here. I just simply slice it in one go and you have your Realme band ready to take it out. The new Realme band itself. So we'll keep the Realme band to the side. What else do you get in the box? Well, because the Realme band has its own charging solution, which is the band itself, it doesn't come with a charger inside the box, and the packaging is quite simple. It's just the quick start guide and the Realme band itself. Well, when you get the Realme band for the first time, you just plug it into the power bank like that and the band is activated and now ready to use. So now that your Realme band is activated, you can start wearing it on your hand and also connect it to the Realme Link app. Now you have access to all your health data, of course, on the Realme Link app, but the Realme Link app is not just for that. The all-new Realme band can be your perfect assistant by being an extension of your smartphone, by giving you incoming call notifications, message notifications, having 9 sports modes, and also it can be your stylish accessory with the beautiful design. That's not it. The Realme Link is also a hub for your step count, for your real-time heart rate monitor data, your workouts, and a lot more. And it also comes with IP68 water resistance, so if you go out for a workout, you do not have to worry about sweat getting in it. When you want to charge your Realme band, you just take one side out, you plug it into any power bank, laptop, wall adapter. We use a Realme power bank here. Just plug it in and it starts charging. So now you've bought the Realme band maybe in yellow, in black or green, but do not worry, we have very easy interchangeable straps. What you have to do is that you can just break this side out like this one as well, and cleanly change the straps if you want. You can even actually play around with the straps. This is something I did. You can do whatever style you want with the bands as well. So that is how easy it is to change the straps on the Realme band and customize it according to your style of the day. That was the all new Realme band. So live fit and live smart.